I don't buy fertilizers for this garden. It runs on a natural cycle. I return my organic waste to the earth by composting food scraps and other biodegradables. The meat and fish waste are always buried into the garden bed to keep the process clean and odorless. Moreover, it helps my plants to thrive. I live by myself, and I'm very conscious of what I buy. I shop only once every 2 weeks to maintain control on the purchases and also save some fuel and time going for shopping. But despite that level of attention, the system still forces a lot of plastic into my home. This is my non-recyclable plastic trash from the house for the last 75 days. It's 100% dry. I normally keep it in the bag until it is full. But this time, I took it out marking a 75-day milestone because I want a clear record of my consumption. Taking the trash out every day makes the problem invisible. I count every piece one by one, and I have 119 individual pieces. I even weighed it and found 340 grams of plastic. Each film and seal represents potential pollution in our soil, air, and waterways. When you see the actual number, you realize the size of the problem we are talking about. My recyclables are washed and dried. Because of this self-check, my red and yellow bin only goes to the driveway every 3 to 4 months, only when it is full. And my green bin hardly goes once a year because I put the organic and garden waste back into the soil. By not putting the bin out weekly, I reduce the number of times the truck has to stop to pick my trash. It saves a bit of fuel and reduces the idling pollution in front of my home. And I use only one medium-sized garbage bag and shop only 10 to 12 times this period. Every bit of efficiency counts. I'm doing this to show that a sustainable life is possible, but it requires being sharp about what you bring into your home and how you process it. Start your own audit and see what you find. Once you realize how much waste you are sending to landfills or incinerators, you'll realize the problem and take good actions. When we change the way we think, we change the world our children inherit. Let's challenge the status quo, hold each other accountable, and turn this into a revolution.